What's happening, you kind folks on the World Wide Web? My name is Ipaintcreatures, and welcome to another I Paint Creatures joint. And this is brought to you by me, of course, I Paint Creatures, and the incredible Funky Eye Puppets. And if you not know what the Funky Eye Puppets are, they are my latest project's been going on for almost a year now, and I'm bringing the next Muppets to the world. So, but the Funky Eye Puppets are at another dimension because they are definitely inspired by me. I paint creatures and what I do. And I'm a multidisciplined professional creative artist. I paint, I draw, I tell stories, I direct, I voice act, I do it all. I make music. I'm really into the performance space, and today I'm showing you just some speed paints that are in the archives. Just showed you a little gobbo goblin that I did, and now I'm doing stuff in the Creaturepedia, and it looks like a sloth who's into drawing and painting. And so I'd like to explore a quote today that is basically by Norman Vincent Peale, or Pearl, or Peel. Don't know exactly what and how to express that, but I'm showing you some prints now. Prints are always available, so contact me if you'd like to get some prints. A lot of big paintings. But this quote by Norman is, "Action is a great restorer or builder of confidence. Inaction is not only the result but the cause of fear. Perhaps the action you take will be successful. Perhaps different action or adjustments will have to follow, but any action is better than no action at all." And I mainly speak with this because I work with a lot of creative people, and creative artists sometimes fall into the trap of being kind of complacent and not earning their keep, the classic starving artist. But, basically, I always use this scenario because a lot of times when a lot of creative people get together and really don't have too much of a structure moving forward and have to create it themselves, it feels like everyone comes with all the incredible ideas, and especially ones that are real experience in their craft, like they're a great actor, great painter, or a great musician, and they haven't really moved into the professional realm, which is the final part of the art, which is definitely sharing your art, and that makes a completion on things. So I always use kind of scenario of action if we're sitting on the edge of like a pool, and we're all sitting there going, I could build a boat, I could build a canoe, I could build some of those floating devices, but we don't address the issue. Is it cold? Is it warm? Let's just get in the water and experience it. And a lot of where I come from, in my educational career, is a lot of experiential learning. And so that is definitely, getting into a space where you definitely find yourself in a way to just, let it flow right in and do what it is doing. So best thing is just to get in action and experience it, and then you can use a lot of evaluation and things inside your psyche of how you see the world and stuff. And but definitely, confidence will come as soon as you get in there. It's like I'm painting these hats, and a lot of times I don't know really where I'm headed with it, but if I just get painting and start painting everything in the hat and get it all going, then definitely gets rid of any anxiety or fear or any thinking of instead of thinking from. And then it allows me to adjust and maybe get some different approaches and actions and move forward, and things just follow as soon as you get it. And I would quote the great George Clinton. He said, free your mind and your butt will follow, right? So the rest of you will follow. So definitely get into action and restore all your confidence. It'll give you more ideas. It'll just get the whole process of creativity flowing forward, and give new ideas, and all the function of all that great stuff. So I definitely believe in get the ideas, do the brainstorming, get super creative, think from, so the kind of result and where you're headed, and then definitely launch. get on it and launch and make it totally real by that action. So thanks for watching the video. I'll talk to you real soon.